Hello friends, so today I'm going to try and make my version of a floral teapot centerpiece. I actually came across a whole bunch of teapot planters on one of my trips to the grocery store. I want to say it was like early spring. So I just thought it was like a really cute idea, something that was or seems pretty easy to recreate. So I'm about to attempt it myself, but with a little bit of a twist, kind of making it my own. So anyways, let me just go through these supplies with you. So I have here a little teapot, a stemmed glass, and a little plate. These three items I got from my local thrift store. I also have here some sanding paper and a mask because I'm going to be sanding the surface of the items just to make it rough enough to make the craft paint stick. You could use spray paint, but I really want to try and use more affordable supplies in my DIY videos. So if I can make craft paint work, then I think that's pretty good. So I have a whole bunch of gold craft paint. I also have here a paintbrush, a little sponge. I'm also going to be using my E6000 glue. I was very impressed on how well this worked in my last DIY video, so I'm going to use it again, and I'm pretty sure this is going to become my new best friend. But I'm not giving up on my glue gun. I'm still going to be using it. So I have it here. I also have some fake flowers from the dollar store, some wire cutters, and I have here some foam. You can also just use like the regular white styrofoam, but this is just what I have on hand. So this is what I'm going to be using. So that's it for the supplies. Let's get into making the centerpiece. Okay, so this is what the floral teapot looks like once it's all finished. Visually, I love the way this looks. I think it's very beautiful, very springy and floral. However, some of my plans and ideas didn't quite turn out the way I thought they would. For example, the sanding took a lot longer and was a lot more labor intensive than I anticipated. I think I should have bought sandpaper that was a lot grittier because that might have helped me speed up the process. Also, it was just really hard to sand down the stemmed glass. You know, there's just too many curves and little nooks and crannies that I just couldn't get into. So that was kind of hard. Yeah, and the paint, I feel like if I scratch hard enough, the craft paint will just come right off. For me, that's not such a huge deal because I will just be displaying this in a corner. I'm not going to be touching or messing with it. So, you know, the paint isn't going to get scratched off. But if I was making this as a gift or making this to sell, I would definitely use spray paint. So yeah. Oh, if you guys have any other suggestions or requests for craft projects, let me know and I'll see if I can make those happen. yeah, so I think that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and bye.